NASA spots biggest comet ever, 500 trillion tons ice ball headed this way. The biggest comet ever recorded has been spotted by the Hubble Space Telescope, NASA said Tuesday, and it is truly massive. The cosmos nucleus, the icy object at the heart of the comet that doesn't include its tail. It is thought to be 80 miles across and might weigh about 500 trillion tons. The cold behemoth is called C/2014 UN 271 or Comet Bernstein. It was discovered in 2010 by astronomers Pedro Bernardinelli and Grady Bernstein. However, only now have researchers been able to determine exactly how big it is. That's partly because the comet is about 2 billion miles away, further than the planet Uranus. It is also partly because comets are surrounded by a shield of gas and dust forming. Their characteristic tails and surrounding their center. By combining computer models with Hubble observations, astronomers led by Matthew Hugh of the McCool University of Science and Technology was able to separate the comet's core from its shield and reveal the size of its main body. It is big and is blacker than cow, says David Witter, co-author of a study describing the finding in a NASA press release. We have always suspected this comet had to be big because it is so bright at such a large distance. Now we confirm it is. C/2014 UN 271 is slowly heading towards the Sun and has been for over 1 million years, but it won't pose any danger to Earth. In fact, it is not predicted to get any closer than the planet Saturn in 2031. Given its size, that's perhaps close enough. One day, the comet will begin heading away from the sun again and won't start its return journey until it is about half a light years away. In total, its orbit around the sun takes 3 million years. The comet's size measurements are outlined in a study published in the journal The Astrophysical Lecture on April 20th, April 12th. Comets are large objects made of ice and dust that orbit the sun and are best known for their long, streaming tails that they leave behind when they pass near to our star. Sometimes these tails can be visible from Earth, providing a treat for night sky enthusiasts. Long-distance comet is particular or interest to astronomers since they are considered to be some of the most pristine leftovers from the early solar system that we know about. For most of their lives, they are preserved in the low-temperature environment of the outer solar system. Despite receiving little in the way of heat from the sun, some climates this far out remain active. They release clouds of gas or their material that increase their brightness. Scientists still unsure why a comet like C/214 UN271 presents a key opportunity to find out more about this distant icy object. After reading this article, that I know about a big gas comet that is C/2014 UN271, and also know about the weight that 500 tons, 500 trillion tons of ice. To me, that is really big ice ball, I think, around the space. So when I watch this news, I think the astronomics is really great to use computer model that to calculate the real comet core sizes, and I think that's what I learned about this from the article.